How can you improve your nervous system? Who doesn't want to live to be 100 with a mind as sharp as that of a grandmaster of chess? No one really knows how long each of us will live, but everyone wishes to live a healthy life. It is generally accepted that everything beneficial to your health also benefits your mind. It is advised to avoid eating foods that are overly processed or that are abundant in sugar and bad fats, which is almost always the case for restaurant food. It is very simple to make basic, healthy meals at home where you can choose the ingredients that go into them. There are still many unanswered questions regarding the nutrients needed for healthy brain function and how factors like food, sleep, and lifestyle affect it. However, the largest factor affecting brain health is nutrition. Let's take a look at the ideal foods for a healthy nervous system that are advised by medical professionals. Number 1. Complex carbohydrates. The energy source for the body and the brain is a chemical called glucose, which is mostly present in carbs. The complex carbohydrates present in starchy foods like whole grain bread, pasta, and rice release energy gradually and support stable brain function. It is suggested to opt for whole grain foods such as wholemeal bread rather than refined counterparts like white bread for improved mental function and attention. Avoid sweets and foods high in sugar. Number 2. Essential fatty acids. Essential fatty acids are a subclass of polyunsaturated fatty acids that fall into two groups, omega-3 and omega-6. Because the body is unable to produce essential fatty acids on its own, we must obtain them from our diet. Most people consume far more omega-6 than omega-3, which is the one responsible for nervous system health and repair. Omega-3 is found in foods like poultry, eggs, avocados, almonds, oily fish, seeds, especially flax seeds, and nuts, especially walnuts. On the other hand, trans fats, commonly referred to as hydrogenated fats, are particularly harmful to the brain because they prevent vital fatty acids from performing their functions. They can be found in a variety of prepared dishes, including cakes and biscuits. If possible, avoid food that contain hydrogenated fats or oils by checking the labels. Number 3. Amino acids. Amino acids are used to make neurotransmitters, which are responsible for controlling our moods. Some of these amino acids are obtained from our diet and beverages. For instance, the amino acid tryptophan, present in milk, oats, and other foods, is converted into a neurotransmitter serotonin, which promotes happiness and is essential for sleep. That means what you eat can alter how you feel. Pick foods and beverages high in tryptophan for a restful night's sleep, such as a milky beverage before bed. Number 4. Vitamins and minerals. Your entire body needs vitamins and minerals to function properly. Vitamins and minerals are used by the brain to support important functions. Your mood and other brain functions may be impacted by a vitamin or mineral deficiency. Vitamins like folate and B12, which are part of B complex, help the neurological system, which are the brain, the spinal cord, and nerves, to function properly. A lack of either of these vitamins can result in a variety of issues, such as memory issues, fatigue, muscular tremor, needles and threads, psychological difficulties, and oral sores. Now that you know which nutrients you need, let us tell you a specific diet that has all these elements. Mediterranean diet. The Mediterranean diet, according to research, exhibits favorable effects on the brain and general health. Let's talk about what really are the highlights of the Mediterranean diet. 1. Extra virgin olive oil is consumed more frequently than other types of fats. 2. More fish is consumed. 3. High consumption of fruits, vegetables, grains, and legumes. 4. Drinking alcohol in moderation. 5. Minimal meat consumption, in particular red meat. 6. Consuming dairy products in moderation. The Mediterranean diet is known to have positive effects on overall health. Research is now showing that it may also help people develop cognitive skills such as memory, attention, reasoning, and language. It has also been shown to slow down age-related diseases like dementia and Alzheimer's. Now let's look at some foods and drinks to boost your brain function. Extra virgin olive oil. According to research, olive oil may reduce the risk of ischemic stroke, cognitive decline, and Alzheimer's disease. Fatty fish like salmon, herring, and mackerel are fantastic sources of omega-3, which is essential for the health of your brain. Dark-colored berries and other fruits and vegetables like strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, spinach, beetroots, and beans are rich in antioxidants, which work to prevent disease by preventing harm to the body and the brain's cells. Foods with healthy fats. Along with extra virgin olive oil, there are many other sources of healthy fats like avocados, nuts, seeds, and fish. These foods are high in monounsaturated fatty acids, which lower your chances of developing dementia as well as depression. Dark chocolate. Yes, you heard right. Despite having sugar and fat, it is rich in antioxidants. It's advised to eat 1 piece of dark chocolate every day. Green tea and turmeric are excellent sources of antioxidants. When consumed regularly, both these ingredients have been shown to have the same effect as dark chocolate and other antioxidants. When you eat is equally as important as what you eat. You'll be able to keep your energy levels stable by eating regular meals. You should make an effort to always eat breakfast, especially because it'll improve your focus and cognitive function throughout the day. Now let's look at some foods that damage your brain's productivity. Overly salted foods like crisps, tinned soups, and ready meals. We are aware that salt raises blood pressure, which in turn raises the possibility of a stroke. According to recommendations, you should consume no more than 6 grams of salt per day. Sugary meals and beverages like sweets and colas. These may provide us with a brief energy boost, but because the energy is released so quickly, we can quickly crash, leaving us feeling down and tired. Additionally, consuming too many sugary foods and beverages can lead to weight gain, which raises our chance of developing health issues. Trans fats, which are frequently found in prepared meals, are extremely unhealthy for us and may raise our chance of having a stroke. They go under the name of hydrogenated oil. Excessive alcohol consumption may make you more susceptible to strokes as well. Additional ways to care for your brain. Since the brain is such a crucial organ, it's essential to take all reasonable measures to maintain its health. Here are some other activities you can perform regularly to maintain brain health. Sleep. Getting too much sleep might make you feel exhausted. On the other hand, getting too little sleep can damage your mood, memory, and emotional well-being. Exercise. Because it boosts blood flow to the brain, exercise is great for maintaining brain health. You can increase your mood and alertness by exercising. Brain stimulation. Learning new skills, engaging in mentally demanding hobbies like music or knitting, or doing puzzles like Sudoku and crosswords can all help keep your brain active. Take it slow. After being ill, it might be quite tempting to return to your old routine and engage in all of your old activities. Though your ailment may be invisible, your brain is still actively trying to cure itself, so pushing yourself too hard could leave you feeling worn out. So don't forget, in order to have a healthy body, you need a healthy mind. So don't forget to eat 5 servings of fruits and vegetables every day, eat carbohydrates from foods like cereals, potatoes, brown rice, and whole wheat pasta, add protein from meat, fish, and eggs, consume less salt, sweets, and alcohol, ensure a balanced diet by consuming a range of foods. This ought to be plenty to provide you with all the vitamins and minerals. Get 6 to 8 hours of sleep. Add body and brain exercises into the mix. Remember, eat well and your brain will age well over time. If you enjoyed our video, give us a like and keep watching your screen for more content.